So in this video I am going to tell you what are the settings you have for profile settings on Upwork. So first you need to open your Upwork application, then click on your profile photo and go to settings, and after that profile settings. Now you have some options for your profile. You can set the visibility, you can set project preference. Okay, so here you can set project preference. You can just leave it as it is as well. You can decide your experience level. For example, I am an intermediate, or I can select my level to expert. Okay, so for example, I am an expert in video editing, and I can just select my category. Okay, I can just go through it and select my category. For example, I fall in uh, video and animation category. Okay, then specialized profiles. You can add your specialized profiles here by clicking on this, and you can create your specialized profile here. Okay, I can just continue with video editing, and you have 7 steps. You can just create it. A specialized profile will be made by this.